The 2024 Volkswagen Atlas drops the V6 for a more potent Turbo 4 and adopts a sleeker interior. What kind of vehicle is the 2024 Volkswagen Atlas? Similar to the 5-seat Jeep Grand Cherokee and the bigger Grand Cherokee L, the 2024 Volkswagen Atlas is a 3-row crossover SUV with a smaller 5-seat counterpart dubbed the Atlas Cross Sport. It competes with other family haulers like the Honda Pilot and Toyota Highlander. The 2024 Atlas scores significantly higher in our scoring methodology, thanks to a roomy and attractive new interior, a more powerful Turbo 4, and a great guarantee. It receives a 6.5 out of 10 TCC rating. What's new for the 2024 Volkswagen Atlas? For 2024, Volkswagen has upgraded the Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport with new ends, new technology, and a more effective Turbo 4. The previous V6 has been retired. There are 2 variations of this large SUV, both of which share a portion of their names and aesthetic. The Atlas is a traditional 3-row crossover SUV with conventional appearance that is blocky and boxy with a sizable interior. On most grades, new LED headlights are surrounded by a light bar that is supported by a wide 4-slot grille. The rear lights are also connected by a light bar. Both models are available with 18 or 21-inch wheels, and the shape is finished off by bulging fender flares and integrated rear roof spoilers. The Cross Sport is nevertheless roomy inside, despite being a little bit shorter and having a tucked roofline like some crossover coupes. The interior of the vehicle sees the most dramatic modifications, with a standard 12.0-inch touchscreen housing the climate controls and a 10.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a new tiered center console with an electronic gear shifter, a deep center console, and an uncluttered sparse dash. It represents a significant improvement for a car whose finishes and general quality impressions lagged below those of its competitors by a wide margin. The new 2.0-liter Turbo 4 has 34 more horsepower than the preceding Turbo 4, producing 269 GP and 273 lb-ft of torque. It is comparable to the defunct V6, which produced 276 horsepower and 267 lb-ft of torque. With the redesigned 8-speed automatic, VW estimates it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.5 seconds. Although all-wheel drive is an option across the lineup, front-wheel drive is the default. The new Turbo 4 outperforms both of the previous Atlas engines, and the Atlas's ride remains composed. The SUV no longer struggles to keep up with rivals like the Kia Telluride, though we'd go with 20-inch wheels or smaller and wish the steering had a little more weight. How much does the 2024 Volkswagen Atlas cost? $39,075 for the front drive. The Atlas SE has wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 12.0-inch touchscreen, 18-inch wheels, adaptive LED headlights, a motorized driver's seat, heated and cooled front seats, a 10.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and wireless smartphone charging. It comes with a 4-year 50,000-mile guarantee and 2 years of no-cost scheduled maintenance. All-wheel drive is $1,900 on the base model, and cross-sport models cost roughly $1,000 extra. The best model in the selection is the SE with the $3,940 technology package, which includes a motorized tailgate, remote start, and parking sensors. The $53,805 Atlas Cell R-Line has 21-inch wheels, leather seats, Harman Kardon audio, a power front passenger seat, navigation, a head-up display, heated second-row seats, a sunroof, and a surround view camera system. The $47,905 Peak Edition comes with black wheels and trim, a sunroof, and ambient lighting. How safe is the Volkswagen Atlas? The Atlas hasn't performed well in crash tests, despite having several standard safety features. We give it an 8, with 1 point for its NHTSA rating and 2 points each for the basic and optional safety technology. The Atlas receives a 5-star rating overall from the feds, but that rating rounds down to 4 stars for front impact protection. The IIHS rates the Atlas as good in the majority of its tests, although it only receives a marginal rating in the new, more difficult moderate overlap run. Automatic emergency braking is a standard feature, despite the IIHS classifying it as basic. Active LED headlights receive a good grade from IIHS. Standard units from the previous year only received a marginal score. Adaptive cruise control, active lane control, and blind spot monitors are all standard features. A surround view camera system is only available on the R-Line. Which Volkswagen Atlas should I buy? The $39,075 Atlas SE with front-wheel drive has 18-inch alloy wheels, a power driver's seat, adaptive LED headlights, heated and cooled front seats, a 10.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a 12.0-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, an Android Auto, and wireless smartphone charging. It also carries a 4-year 50,000-mile warranty with 2 years of free maintenance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And as always, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.